Part 8 of Chapter 1. Before he quitted Balkh, Baha-Veled one day saw a man performing his devotions in the great mosque. They're called masjid. In his shirt sleeves, with his coat upon his back. Baha reproved him, telling him to put on his coat properly and decently, then to continue his devotions. And what if I will not? Asked the man in a disdainful tone. Thy dead soul, thy dead-like soul will obey my command and quit thy body, and thou wilt die, answered Baha. Instantly the man fell dead, and crowds flocked to become disciples to the saint who spoke with such power and authority. And see, it's not reprimanding. The four is that if you're capable of being decent with your clothes, then you should be. Now, the implication is that he was probably uncovered. Now, some things, people's like, oh, it's not the style of our people to do this. Well, if you're modest, you're modest. Now, sometimes you're wearing two pieces of clothes, and your coat is what gives you the full modesty. You get a general modesty, but it's slightly see-through because it's thin, and you have a coat over you. But you drape your coat over you, and you're practically exposed. With the other, then that was probably the situation going on there. But sometimes people don't know when you just ornaments.